In this video, we're going to talk about the components of the AIR track system, take a closer look at them and how they're installed. So we have already discussed the track that is accompanied by the bookends that are included at the end. And as mentioned, these placeholders have a role in connecting the tracks with each other. Let's see what we have got. So let us take a closer look at our components. The end cap we were just discussing can be purchased separately, if desired or needed. Pathology is covered in a separate article, but since they already come with the track, you don't need it often. Well, only if you are purchasing one track with the intention of splitting it into multiple tracks, chopping it up, and then you will need to separately purchase this dummy track. Just a reminder, she has a decorative role. She is responsible for decorating the track from one of the ends, and she is also necessary for connection. The subsequent most popular component is a straight connector, which is required to connect tracks in a line with each other. He is mounted from the end, connecting with the end cap in this specific manner of attachment. After that, the second track is connected here. The connector with a 90-degree angle is installed in exactly the same way as before, without any changes or variations. So here comes the next track. Also a 90-degree connector for transitioning between surfaces, meaning from the ceiling to the wall. Installation is identical completely. The track plugs are provided with the necessary fastening kits, which consist of screws, washers, and caps. These kits are used during installation to secure the plugs and give them a more aesthetic look by placing caps on the screw heads. The last component we have left to consider is this flexible connector that allows us to make a transition, for example, from the wall, and then this part of the component is movable. We can direct the outgoing track from here at any angle as it moves. A rather uncommon element that you will not come across in alternative track systems. What can it be used for? For instance, it could be applicable in attic floors, where we have a part of the wall going vertically and then through the roofs. So the track that goes along the wall can then descend at any angle of inclination. How is it mounted? Here we can see the same connectors as we observed previously in this location. So the track effortlessly slips onto, disconnects from the bottom, and also seamlessly goes into this connector, ensuring a secure and reliable connection for the user. The track connects to the connector, and then it is inserted and securely fastened for rigidity by using 2 screws, ensuring a stable and reliable connection.